the coaster comes to a complete stop, unbuckle your safety belt, lift up on your safety harness, and watch your step as you exit to your left, taking all personal belongings with you. Thank you and enjoy your day here at Busch Gardens.
A medida que la montaña se reduce por completo, desarrollos el cinturón de seguridad llamados SheiKra. Gracias y disfrute de su vida aquí en Busch Gardens.
Please step into the coaster as quickly and safely as possible, pulling your harness down to your waist and buckling.
Or what? I told him we were going to hit it again. I got it now. This ride. Oh, that was disgusting. Oh my god. Hey, bye. Oh, they said that sauce. That sauce. Oh man. Oh, dude! Oh, man, this is really awesome. This is our last one. Oh, yeah. We said the last time it was our last ride. We said the last time was the last time.
As the coaster comes to a complete stop, unbuckle your safety belt, lift up on your safety harness, and watch your step as you exit to your left, taking all personal belongings with you. Thank you and enjoy your day here at Busch Gardens.
I only said Bolliger because it was my first ride. This is definitely their last ride. Now we're getting to it.
Time to go get something to eat, go home.